Ugh, not again. I just had another prospective client ask for work samples, but I don't have any yet. How am I supposed to create work samples if I can't land clients?
Right. The old copywriter catch-22. How do you create a portfolio and land clients without work samples? But how do you get work samples without clients? Every freelance copywriter goes through this. It's such a common challenge when you're just getting started. But don't worry, you can create your own work samples.
Create my own work samples? How?
Just use the reverse engineer content framework.
The reverse engineer content framework? What's that? It sounds kind of complicated.
Nope, it's easier than you think. First, you find live campaigns online that you like. I start by heading over to Facebook or Instagram and looking for ads that promote products or services I'd like to write for.
Okay, I can do that. I see ads on Facebook all the time.
Right? Once you've found something you like to write for, analyze the copy and the offer and research who it's being marketed to. Then you can use that as inspiration to create your own copy pieces.
So you mean I can take inspiration from real campaigns?
Yeah, totally. Just because you weren't hired by someone to write it doesn't mean you can't showcase your expertise as a writer.
Okay. So what type of copy pieces should I create?
Well, what type of copy do you want to write for clients? If you like writing for sales, you could create ad copy, funnel copy, or email remarketing sequences. If you're more into content copy, you can create sample blog posts or social media captions. Make them relevant to your niche and style, and then boom, pop those babies right into your portfolio.
That sounds doable, but what about using them without permission? I don't want to be accused of copying someone else's work.
You won't be using them to make a profit though. It's just a learning exercise to showcase your skills, and you can always mention that they are spec work that's inspired by or created for practice.
You are a lifesaver. I'm going to get started on this right away.
Oh, and here's an extra hot tip. You can also reach out to the person behind the campaigns you wrote for and offer to share the copy you wrote based on their offers for free.
Really? Won't they think that's kind of weird?
No, not at all. Most people would be thrilled to get something for free like this. We all know what it's like to be in the getting started stages, and who knows, they may love it so much you'll land yourself a new client.
That would be amazing. Thank you so much.
Christa's the mastermind behind this idea. She's full of action tips for wordy mamas just like us. Go give Christa Nichols Copy a follow right now.